Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add a checkbox in Google Sheet. First, click and drag your mouse to the select range of cells where you want to add checkboxes. With your range of cells selected, go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Checkbox. This will add checkboxes to all the cells you selected. To apply conditional formatting, go to Format menu at the top and choose Conditional Formatting. Make sure you are on the single color tab in the Conditional Formatting Rules pane that appears on the right side of the screen. In the Apply to Range field, type the range of cells you want to format. Use A1 notation. Use A1 notation. Under the Format Cells, if section, click on the drop-down and select Custom Formula Is. In the Value or Formula box, type equals Q2. You can also type Q2 equals true. Both formulas work the same way. Here, Q is the column that contains the checkboxes. Adjust this to match your specific column. Now you can choose how you want the cells to be formatted when the checkbox is checked. Use the formatting style options to set the background color, text color, and other styles. Click Done to apply the conditional formatting. Finally, go back to your sheet and click on the checkboxes to see if the formatting is applied correctly. When a checkbox is checked, the cells should change according to the formatting style you set. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.